Hi everyone, in this video we're going to show you how easy it is to create or select a template on the Strikingly platform. So we're using this template right now that we initially set up when we opened up this NLG training site. But if you go over here, if you wanted to change your template, it's quite easy. So you got to select where it says styles. And it's going to take you into this window here where you're allowed to change your template. So you want to click that. It's going to take you into some options. So depending on what industry or what kind of site you have, you just go through and select the one that is best for you. So if we have this one here and we wanted to, let's say, change it up to something else, we can do that, and all you do is select one. So we wanted to select, you can also preview it ahead of time before selecting, so you could click your preview button and it's going to show you what the website will look like before you actually change it up. So it's showing me here, and then it'll give me this option here to switch to this template. If you don't like what the template looks like, don't select that one and then try and select another one. Let's say I liked it, I just click switch to this template and it's just going to switch over to the new template, and that's it. And you want to choose a platform that has a lot of good templates for you, give you a lot of options based on the industry that you're in, and allows you to just explore different kinds of templates and make you look professional once you're on the web. That's really important. So just go ahead, play around with it, and then you can see what your site looks like once you publish. And we recommend publishing after you do any kind of change to your website. And that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to select a template or change your template. If you already have a template on your Strikingly website, you just go ahead and click that change template button, and you can preview different templates before you actually try them. See you on the next video.